Hi guys, so this is my analysis update on GU guys. Before we do today's analysis on GU, I'm going to do a quick recap on GU. So if you watch my previous analysis on GU, I had two instances. I said we had this break of structure right here, our first break of structure right here, and our second break of structure right here based on my bigger time frame. And I said there's a possibility that we might reject either from this first break of break of structure or the other break of structure before tanking to the downside, right? Because I'm still predicting us pushing to the downside to hit my TP, which is 26016. So if you remember right, I was holding GU from right around here, right here, and the last time I analyzed it, we were right around this area right here. We dropped down to this area right here, and I said because it hasn't hit my negative 27% fib level, I'm still gonna leave it right now until we hit that level. There's a possibility because we did not. So but I put my trade in perfect already just in case if it doesn't go the way I think it will go, which is normal, right? So we can see, but we actually our breakout structure became invalid. It pushed up a little bit to hit my 23.6% fib level. We had this breakout structure in this area, then tanked to the downside, hit my TP level right here, and started pushing to the upside. So that was the gold trade on GU guys. Let's see how many pips that was from here to around this area right here. That was 67 pips. So now let's reanalyze GU guys based on the current price market. So let's do a quick top-down analysis on GU. So we're gonna do a top-down analysis. Let's draw a line from here to here. You can also draw from here to here. Let's see if there is anything from here to here. Let's go to my smaller time frame and see. I'm seeing some sort of like a bear move direction overall. If we do from here to here, we have a break of structure, and we are currently around a sensitive trend line right here. So I think I'm seeing some sort of like an impulse, a correction, and a continuation to push to the upside, to the downside. Sorry. So for us to actually push to the upside on GU overall, we at least want a break of trend line with an engulfing candle to indicate that the bulls are in the market. But as of right now, I'm certainly more towards a down move rather than a buy. So let's draw a fib right here from point A to point B. So we can see that we are currently rejecting around my 61.8% fib level, even though that it's not really that clear, but we're rejecting around that area, right? Let's go to a more smaller time frame and see. So I can draw a trend line from here to here. A trend line can be drawn from here to here as well. So right now, what are we seeing, right? We can see a mini, if I draw a mini fib from here to here, let's change that. From here to here, you can see that we have this impulse correction continuation. It's my negative 27% failure push to the upside. So now let's see, we can draw a trend line right here as well, just to indicate that we are currently on a kind of buy, right? overall we are on a sell, but right now we are kind of on a, you can see that we are rejecting around my 38.2% fib level around that area multiple times. So I see some sort of like a push to the downside to at least hit this trend line right here. Then either we push to the downside to hit my 61.8% fib level, which is like, you know, TP2, or we might get to this trend line and push to the upside based on how the markets react around that trend line. So I see that. Let's go to my smaller time frame and see. On my smaller time frame, we can also draw a mini fib, and this is a mini trend line. And this is the reason I like top-down analysis, especially if you're a day trader. It just simplifies things for you based on the smaller time frame, right? So now we can see an impulse, a correction of this trend line. Let me zoom out a little bit. We can see an impulse, it came to retest this trend line that was broken. Then we're expecting some sort of like a push to the downside. Let's go to my 3-hour time frame if I will see anything. Nothing that's significant though, but I can do a mini fib right here from point A here to point B. Let's change the color of that. Right there. So we currently rejected around 61.8%, just like we know. We hit TP1, we hit my TP1 currently. So, and we know that if you've been watching my analysis, my negative 27% fib level is a reversal zone. So most of the time when we get to negative 27% fib level, there's a possibility for a reversal. So we see as soon as we got there, we started pushing to the upside. Let's check. I'm still predicting it to push to the downside, but I'm not seeing any imbalance for a retracement. Let's go to more smaller time frame and see if I will see any. I'm not currently seeing any, so I have different possibility. We might push up a little bit to hit we might to hit my 78.6% fib level, and also give us a possible touch of the trend line before actually tanking to the downside, or we might just break this trend line, retest, and move to the next trend line. But let's take it one step at a time. Let's go to much smaller time frame. We can't even find anything right now. I can't, apart from the fact that I think we might just continue to push to the downside right here. So if I draw a mini line right here, we can see that we are around like a break off trend line, a retest around the trend line, then we might continue to push to the downside. So let's just do a mini fib right around this area right here. I don't want to make that style. Okay, to red. Let's see from here. So we might, since it's not rejecting around any fib level, we might push up a little bit to maybe my 78% fib level, then retrace to the downside. That is what I'm seeing currently. Let's go to my 1-hour time frame and see. So I see it might push up a little bit, to be honest. I see something like that. So I see some sort of like, we might push here, come here to retrace here before tanking to the downside to hit first TP right here. If you're pushing to the downside, will certainly be around here, which is 225. And if it is continuing to see momentum of sell, then my next target to be running around here, 37. So if you see a continuation momentum, that will be my next target right here. So this is my thoughts right now on GU if it's pushing to the downside, but if you're pushing to the upside, then there's certainly this would be a target right there. Would be a target for an uptrend, which is a touch of this trend line 1818. So that is my thoughts on GU, guys. Hope you guys find it helpful. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share, and I'll see you guys in my next analysis, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.